Hey everyone, here I am with a special recipe bread pakora. Take mashed potatoes with a pinch of salt in it, mashed carrots with a pinch of salt too, and green peas. Now trim the edges of the bread. You need not throw these away. You can take them in a mixture grinder to make breadcrumbs. Now I am taking Chuda, which is also known as flattened rice. Dry fry it and transfer it to the mixture grinder to form a powder consistency. Here I am mixing Chuda powder and breadcrumbs. Now take tomato ketchup and spread it out on the bread slice with carrot on it. Next, mayonnaise with potato mashed spread out, and on the third layer we are placing mayonnaise. You can also put green chutney with peas on top of it. Now your tri-colored Triranga pakora is ready. I am cutting it into two halves. You can make a shape of your choice. Here I am taking Maida and Cornflour to make a slurry consistency. Dip it into the slurry and then transfer this to the breadcrumbs. Coat it nicely, and now I am taking the second slice. Repeat the same process. Here I am deep frying them in oil. This doesn't take much time, so as soon as you see it's turning golden brown, you can remove them from oil. If you wish and you're health conscious, you can also do shallow fry. Now your bread pakora is ready. Hope you all like this recipe. Have a wonderful day. Meet you soon in my next video. Bye bye.